Lipot mogol kod bad migao makedo kod yedhe meroji pachoka mano NACADA oyango medruok mar kwiri e yedhe meroji milose laboratory mabandia pachoka gima koro nyiso ni Kenya odaro wuok e piny ma yedhe meroji kale akala nyaka e piny maloso yedhe makamago. Nondo mano tim e kaunti za 12 yango ni yedhe meroji koro itone kwiri manyalo miyo ng'ato tiyo kod yedhe go asasa gima nyalo nege kata miye tuoche mag obwongo e kind midhiero mamoko. Jatend migao mar Rita Kipchumba Murkomen koro chiko apedha mager mageto mwandu mag joma uso yedhe meroji mabandia kendo seto igwenge ma ilose kwiri mitone yedhe makamago.
There's an exponential expansion in the online drug market, primarily selling these synthetic drugs. And why so? It's because the precursors that are used to make these synthetic drugs are our normal day-to-day elements and compounds. One reason why we went into this study is that Kenya remains a strategic transit and an emerging consumer hub in the use of hard drugs. Heroin is trafficked primarily through the Indian Ocean. Cocaine is trafficked from South America. The emerging synthetic drugs like methamphetamine, in the recent bust, we saw that it came from the Greater Middle East. The port of Mombasa remains a major volume trafficking gateway.
The drug problem is not static. It is dynamic, adaptive, and constantly evolving. Our response must therefore be equally dynamic, anchored in science, driven by innovation, and sustained through collaboration. As we reflect on these findings, let us remember that behind every statistics is a human history, a young person whose potential is